requires participation from the audience. So if I see something that you think is striking to you, you can just snap, you know. All right, so, you know what? Give me something, DJ. Hello? Yes, is this Miss May? Yes, that is correct. Who am I speaking to? This is Engineer Dororo. I'm calling you from the University of Harare. It's about your child, Leonard. Last week I gave them an assignment to describe the different types of fluid flow congruent with the discoveries of an English physicist called Oscar Reynolds. Your son, ma'am, answered everything correctly. Wow, that's so amazing. Leonard's been working so hard. I'm so proud of my son. Ma'am, it's just one tiny bit of problem. It's his way of writing that I'm facing problems with. Your son writes everything in poems. You need to get it checked out. Something's wrong with your son. Alright, doctor. Alright, engineer, I appreciate you telling me that. I'll talk to him. Yes, hello, Dr. Watson. It has happened again. You need to fix my son. I thought I was paying enough money. Miss May, I've reached my final diagnosis. Your son Leonard suffers from an MDD, multiple dreams disorder. Your son dreams too much. He thinks he's going to be the greatest spoken word artist alive. I don't know what that means, but I'm just going to prescribe lesser hours of sleep. I think he sleeps too much. And your son is also schizophrenic. He says there's a voice that comes to him every time, and this voice is telling him to go and preach the word. I don't even know what that means, but your son, I'm going to prescribe is to stop reading this funny looking book. It's written Bible or Bible, I don't know, but he has to stop reading that book. Alright, doctor. Alright, I'm just going to send my son to your office right now. Please fix him, do something. You have to fix my son. Where is it? It's Leonard. Where is it? It's me, doctor. Don't you remember me? I've been your patient ever since grade 3. Shackles in my hands. I've been your convict. My name is Dagatron 2.0. I'm a child, rubber cup and 2. What I've been told, like a torpedo. They're trying to hold me like a tornado. This ain't no American Idol. Give me back my Bible, don't you know? I need to suck up my living system. It's up for me to fail. Just like UBT. I've been living in the jungle. No matter how fantastic I think I am, there is no me, there is only. But what you need, please forgive my glitches. I ain't got no error. I'm Moses, I'm mumble, I'm butter, I'm stutter, I'm stammer, I'm mumble, I'm butter, I'm stutter, I'm stammer. I'm no human being, I'm one huge machine. Hey, I'm a jump Robocop. Leonard, you're not making sense. What are you talking about? I say, my name is Dagatron 2.0. I'm a child Robocop. I live in a system that is designed for me to fail. A system that tells me no matter how great or how fantastic I think I am, there is no me. There is only who I want you to be. Please, error. Please forgive my glitches. I stutter a lot, for I am a machine. Hey, I'm a child Robocop. Being born into a room of a specific coloration, yes, I live a life of predetermination. A house full of a specific set of toys. When will it matter that I have my own voice? Who told you that I want to be cool, but that name what I have inside of me is plain. Hey, I'm a tough Robocop. My whole family said, Lenny, be an engineer. My pastor said, be a seer. The society suggests that I can get in show business, and the system says, strive to be good, but you'll never be better than us. Receiving a series of commands from all angles. It's my whole life to speak to friend Lord. Hey, I'm a tough Robocop. Just like a computer, the only language I understand is Java or C++. Having to be told that the only way to make it in life is by getting an A+. Indeed, I am a command prompt. Whenever I type in their commands and thoughts, and whenever I try to type in my own ideas, the automatic response is error. Hey, I'm a child Robocop. And then they say, education is the key, I agree. But when is school coming to play? Do you mean that education is only them say from school? And the guy who got to school, go to school again then. I say if education is the key, then school can never be the only lock. Hey, I'm a child Robocop. I tell you, my mind rarely develops a thought whereby it perceives the red as a green. green and to continue to pass through where someone else says stop. Because according to this system, as long as I follow the rules and pass the exam, I'm going to be cool. Hey, I'm a top Robocop. But are you aware that X minus to keep a checklist? And if your answer is out of their box, the automatic response is a cross. Then they claim that school expands one's vision and your horizons. Well, tell that to Malcolm X who kind of dropped out of school and is well known for what he learned in the prison. Hey, I'm in top Robocop. You have programmed my dreams to be a mirage, close enough to see, yet too far to reach. They want me to imagine, but never to execute. To be good, never to be great. Mr. System, money, doctor, you're kidding me. I'm a top Robocop. I am programmed to initiate commands, systematically set to just do and not to think, not to have any sense of accountability. And whenever I try to establish my own ideas, the system overloads and they reset me. Hey, I'm a top Robocop. If only you would emancipate me from if only you would emancipate me from the chains of mental slavery. If only you would allow me to be the great beacon of light I was born to be. Only then would the world discover fire for the second time. Mommy, let me be what I want to be. Shrink, you're giving me therapy. Nothing's wrong with me. I'm an anomaly. Allow me to see this one thing I'm not. I got a lot of holes in my life. I guess I need polarity therapy. I'm not bipolar, but I live in physical and I live in my spirit. So I'm not schizophrenic. I ain't an iron fist, but I got a hate list. I'm a hitman. I'm a sworn enemy of Lucifer. When it's coming out, my mother I got crucified. The snitch, I'm at police. Please, chill, brother, let me do this. You ain't got an alibi, you're going down guilty. No. I've been drugged. No. I've been sedated. No. I've been drugged. No. I'm a priest error. I'm a preacher error. No. I've been drugged. I'm a human being. I'm one huge machine. Hey. I'm a child Robocop.